LG does not wait until CES to reveal one of its high-end living room gadgets for 2018, it's a 4K HDR projector. LG claims that the new UHD projector is about half the size of the competition's 4K options on the market, many of which are heavy, expensive and difficult to install according to the company. The HU80KA, on the other hand, is being presented as an affordable but premium device that can generate a 150-inch image in any room of your home. That image can also be very bright. LG says it reaches 2,500 lumens, which makes it the company's brightest projector and puts it at the height of what's on the market today. In addition to the 4K resolution, it also receives support for HDR video with HDR10. Unfortunately, Dolby Vision is not mentioned. The projector can be placed on the floor, mounted on the wall or hung from the ceiling, and LG says it will work perfectly in any of those configurations. There are two built-in 7-watt speakers, but you probably want to pair a soundbar with this thing at least. The audio output options include optics, HDMI and Bluetooth. The projector will play media from a USB drive and also allows you to connect an external keyboard and mouse. Oh, and run WebOS just like the LG TV line, so you have the most streaming apps built right away. LG still does not share the price of the HU80KA, but that's normal in the field of home theater ads at CES. Companies show you how flashy and then wait a couple of months before revealing the damage it will do to your wallet. As a reference, some of the affordable 4K projectors available today are slightly less than $2,000. That's not cheap, but I'm definitely looking forward to getting a preview of the HU80KA in just a few days in Las Vegas.